Hi everyone, you are welcome on our YouTube channel Japanese Phones Community, the world of the Japanese phones and smartphones. Today we have the classic Japanese flip phone, Sharp Aquos SH-N01, directly from Japan. As usual, we should say that it's usual Japanese flip phone. The dimensions are not big and not small. It's good laying in one hand. It's not heavy. It's also waterproof and dustproof, so you can easily speak when it's raining or in shower. And also the manufacturer Sharp as usual gives the cradle for external charging for these ports, and as usual also Sharp gives us auto flip button. Just push and it opens. It's very cool thing, I think. Also there is a touch cruiser system, and you can easily operate by like or touchpad like on notebooks. It's really useful thing. And the display, the touch screens are not, but the touch screen is just display and not touch. But this thing gives us feeling like a touch screen, you see. Okay, very interesting thing. Also, as usual, the manufacturer gives 8.1 megapixel camera. It's enough for shooting or for videos. Also, you can easily operate by buttons on keyboard. Okay, thank you for attention. Bye.